Girls in sororities are given stereotypes and negative connotations from people who have limited to no knowledge of Greek life. It leaves questions like, are sororities really worth it, and what is recruitment all about?
My name's Gabby Peralta. I'm a senior in school and in Theta. I feel like the media has painted a lot of really negative stereotypes about sororities, like just being the party girls, being like easy, being crazy. But Theta doesn't really fit in with those stereotypes at all. We just want to be the best, like academically and socially.
And my name is Courtney Kinane. I'm 18 years old and I'm a part of Kappa Alpha Theta. There's like the stereotype that like sorority girls are bitchy or that they don't pay attention in school or that we're dumb, and that's not true. We have GPA requirements, we have study sessions, we are really supportive of each other. I mean, probably being a part of sorority this year has been the least dramatic thing I've gone through. Just because all the girls know exactly what you're dealing with.
My name's Chandler Wright. I'm 22. I'm a senior and I'm a Kappa Alpha Theta. But I went to UNLV my freshman year, and my perception of the sororities there, they did fit the stereotypes completely. Like there was the Greek tables at the lunch in the student union that nobody else could sit at besides people in a sorority or fraternity, and I hated that. And here at Nevada, Greek life is really accepting of everybody. If you're in a sorority, if you're not, like they really don't care.
Recruitment is a really long, kind of crazy process. It's about a week long with different programs every day. And it all just builds to like one big day, which is bid day, which is everyone's favorite because you get to know which house you're in. It's definitely a lot of work, but it all ends up worth it in the end.
I don't know. It's just an amazing experience to feel like I have so many different sisters.
Yes, we're so happy that I joined Theta.
And I don't regret it at all.